Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and I am so excited to be talking to you guys about period panties. So I just bought these period panties from NYX a couple weeks back. Vicar actually got them for me for my birthday. This is what I wanted for my birthday. I'm pretty lame. But yeah, he bought these for me because I wanted to stop using pads. They're really irritating to me and uncomfortable. I think that's how a lot of people feel about them. So I really wanted to try these out because I've heard so many good things about them, and I thought I would give you my review today. So I bought the Heavy Flow Period Kit from NYX, which includes 4 different panties like this, and then it also comes with 1 pair of dream shorts, which looks like this. They're actual shorts like this, and I bought them in an extra small. So for the pack of 5, it came out to about 150 bucks, and honestly it was worth every single penny. Now I actually just realized that NYX has like a teen version of this, and it's called like NYX Teens or something like that. I'll link it in the description below, but they have the same period kit and it's actually $110. I wish I knew that before I bought these, because I'm pretty sure I could fit into like a teen size. So if you're a bit smaller and you can get away with like kids clothing or teens clothing, you might as well buy it from there because it's so much cheaper. But honestly, it was worth every penny. I absolutely love them. My favorite style is the short style just because they're super comfy. Basically, these panties are supposed to be leak proof, and you're able to wear them while you're on your period at your heaviest flow with no problem. So the great thing about these panties is that you can wear them while you're on your period with no pad, no tampon or anything, and have absolutely no problem with it. Honestly, they were a lifesaver. At the beginning of my period, I usually have a pretty heavy flow. It's not like super heavy throughout the day, but what happens is like if I'm sitting for a while and I get up, like there's just a heavy amount of period that comes out at once. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. And when that happens, I tend to leak quite often, and I would say I would leak at least once or twice every period that I have because of that problem. But with these panties, I did not have that problem at all, and I absolutely loved it. And I love the fact that you don't need to wear a pad or a tampon with it, because I find pads so uncomfortable. Tampons scare the shit out of me because I'm like so scared that I'm gonna get toxic shock syndrome. So this is a great alternative and super sustainable as well. So I bought a size extra small. They look kind of big. Like honestly, when I first got them, I was like, these look kind of big, but to be honest, they fit pretty well. They weren't super tight, but they weren't also super loose. I would say they had a decent fit to them, and they were really comfy. I'm not gonna lie. You do feel a bit of the pad when you first start wearing it, but after a while, like it's like barely even there. It's not even nearly as thick as like what a actual pad is like. You can see it's like pretty thin. So this one is the light one, and then this one is the heavy one. You can kind of see how this one is thicker. You can see it's pretty thin, but it holds so much like liquid in it. I got the pack that was high to super absorbency, and these underwears can hold about 6 to 8 tampons worth of liquid, so it holds quite a bit. They also have another set, the light to medium period kit set, and those underwears have a bit of a thinner pad to them, and they hold about 1 to 2 tampons worth of liquid. I have 1 pair of those that I got sent from NYX last year. I wear those all the time as well. I absolutely love them, but you definitely don't want to be wearing that when you have like a heavier flow at the beginning of your period, but it's great for like your lighter days as you're kind of getting off of your period. Or if you're someone that discharges a lot and you know you don't like wearing like panty liners and things like that, this is also a great option for you. I just had my period last week, and this was the first time I actually used these panties, and oh my gosh, they were like heaven sent. I absolutely love them. I don't think I'm gonna go back to pads anymore. I'll use them here and there if I need to, but like this is where it's at. Honestly, I'm so happy with the results. So my first couple of days, I had no problems with leaking at all. I wore this one throughout the entire day. This is the boy short one. I wore this one throughout the entire day. I was completely fine, and then before I went to bed, I took a shower, and then I changed into these ones here, which are the dream shorts. Throughout the night, no problems at all, no leaking. One thing that I did notice though when I was at my heaviest flow was that if I had a lot of period kind of come out at once, you did kind of feel that wetness, like you were kind of sitting in it more than you would with like a regular pad, I would say. But after a while it absorbs and it's fine, you don't feel it anymore. But you do kind of feel that wetness, and you might feel like you're leaking because you can feel that wetness. But when I looked, there was absolutely nothing there, and I can't even begin to like say how shocked I was, because I was like, okay, there's no way that this didn't leak, because I felt so much come out at once. This sounds so gross. Like, I feel like I'm like exposing myself. But yeah, it didn't leak at all. I didn't have any problems with it. Super comfortable. And it was great. Like, I feel like these you can actually sleep in at night if you're like someone that likes to sleep in your underwear and stuff like that. You definitely don't need to have like pants on or anything. It covers like a good amount of your bottom. One thing that I would say though is that I went through about 3 of these panties in the first 2 days, but my period lasts longer than 5 days, so I definitely think I need more pairs though. But the thing with that is that like it's more expensive up front, but in the long run you're saving on things like pads and all that stuff, so it is worth it. It's just a bit of an investment at the beginning. Another question I got a lot about these panties was, does it smell? And only if you like take it off. But when I wore these panties, I didn't feel like I smelt anything, unless I was like going to the washroom and I like pulled my pants down, whatever, then you can naturally smell it. When I was done wearing them, I kept it in this little bag before I was gonna wash all of them. All 5 pairs of underwear fit in here, and it was perfectly fine. Again, it didn't smell through the bag or anything like that. It wasn't stinking up my bathroom. And then when I was ready to wash them, I just took them out and I threw them into the washing machine. Super easy to wash and take care of. All you need to do is wash it normally with mild detergent and in cold water. Just wash it like how you would wash anything else, and then you just leave it out to air dry. I believe you can put it in the dryer, but they recommend to air dry it. But yeah, super easy to take care of. So that's my little review of it. If you guys have any further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I would highly, highly recommend these. As someone who's worn both pads and tampons, I would say this is like the best alternative for your period. They're sustainable, they're super comfortable, they're easy to take care of, super easy to wash, and they don't smell. Anyways guys, that's all I have for you today. If you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and for all the love and support you show me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!